Alright, this is the guided practice for 9.5, and we're going to use coordinates to find the length of each side so we can find the perimeter. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do, because I need to visualize this, I'm going to put all of these points on a grid. So I drew my grid over here, and the first one is 3, 3. So over 3, 1, 2, 3, and up 3, 1, 2, 3. That's 3, 3, so that's L. Now I have M is 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. And up to 5, it's right here. That's M. And then N is 7, over to 7, up 5. That's right here, that's N. And P is 7, 3, over to 7, 3. That's P. Alright, so there is my parallelogram with the 4 points. I graphed it. Now, this is real easy. I have LM, that's one side, which is this one right here. Then I have MN equals something. Then I have NP, that side, and then I have LP. Okay. Now, LM from here to here is 1, 2 units. Okay, so that's 2. MN from here to here, 1, 2, 3, 4 units. NP, this one is 2, and this one is 4. So if I add those all up, 2 plus 4 is 6, plus 2 more is 8, plus 4 is 12. So I get a perimeter of 12 units. When you're doing that, if you want to find LM, you look at LM, and you know it's both, these are the same, these 3. So it's both going over to 3, and then one is going up to 3, and one's coming up to 5. So if they're both on the 3, all you gotta do is take the larger one, 5 minus 3, and it gets you 2. Okay. Let's look at this one here. So I'm not going to graph this one, but I know that I have points that I want to find PQ, and then I want to do QR, and then I want to do RS, and then I want to do SP. Those are my 4 sides. Okay. So, P to Q, I'm looking at these 2 right here. I know that Y is both 0, so I just need to take the big one, 6 minus 3, gets me 3. Okay, now I'm going to look at Q to R. The X is the same, so the Y is changing, and that's a change of 7. Now I'm going to look at R and S. The 7 is the same, 6 and 3, so that's a change of 3. And then I look at this S and this P. I see the 3 is the same, but you have 0 and 7, so that's 7. So I'm going to add these up. 3 plus 7 is 10, plus 3 is 13, plus 7 more is 20 units. Okay? I did that one without graphing it. But you can always graph it if it makes it easier for you. Whatever you have to do. Alrighty. Now, we have Miss Pyle is building a fence around the perimeter of her yard for her dog. So we have these coordinates right here. Okay. So I'm going to go from here to here. And that is 10 plus. Now I want to go from here to here. I see the 10 is the same, but the 5 and 0 add 5. Now I want to go from here to here. I see the x is the same with 5, but the 10 is different. Plus 10. And then if I go from here all the way over to here, I can see the zeros are the same, but the 5 is different, plus 5. So now I'm going to add these up. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 10 is 25, plus 5 is 30, 30 units. Okay, now, because it's 30 units, it says if each square has a length of 100 feet. Okay, so I have 30 units that are each 100 feet in length. It's 30 times 100, which gets me 3,000 feet. Find the amount of wire in feet needed for the fence, and what is the shape of her yard. Okay, so if it's 3,000 feet, now I see that one side is 10, one's 5, one's 10, one's 5. That tells me it's not a square, but a rectangle. Okay, that's a little bit more tricky, but hopefully that gives you an idea on how to find the perimeter using coordinates.